I see you are here watching this video. Since you are already here, let me ask you a question. Are you getting paid to watch this video? Yes? No? If not, I will let you in on a little secret. There are websites out there that will pay you to watch and like YouTube videos. Yes, it is possible to get paid with such a task that we all do out of fun or boredom. Anywhere we go, we always have our phone with us. We never leave our phones at home when we leave, and we do not even put our phone down when we are at home. This means that you can get paid anywhere. Are you in a train or bus waiting for your stop and scrolling endlessly on social media? Why don't you take advantage of this and get paid while you are on your phone? If you stay and watch the entire video, I will show you just how you can do that. This is such an easy way to earn online, so do not miss out on this opportunity by skipping today's video. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Are you ready to get started earning online? Well, do you have your laptop or computer or phone ready with a web browser now? If you do not have this ready yet, go ahead and open another tab as I will provide the link for today's way to earn online. The website is called Paidwork.com. Go ahead and open the link on the new tab or window you have ready. If you got to the correct website, you should be greeted with Make Money Online. On the phone, computer, or tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. Do you see that? If you do, then you got to the right website. What type of content do you watch online? What have you been doing during your free time? Comment the type of videos you like on the comment section down below. Maybe you will be able to find someone who has the same interests as you and find a new friend. Are you liking the video so far? Was it easy to get to the Paidwork.com website? Subscribe to our channel for more learning about making money online. Hit the like button if you are liking this video so far. Now, back to the video. Alright, moving on to Paidwork.com. Are you on the page now? You can also install the app, download on the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store for Android users. Once you are good and can access Paidwork.com without issues, scroll through the page and look around. The page offers more ways than one to earn money. For example, go to different websites to watch videos and get paid. You can also like, subscribe, and comment on the videos to earn an extra bonus. There are other options such as play games, complete surveys, shop online, and create accounts. All these will lead you to earn money online. Just choose which one you like and earn actual cash. The surveys are pretty simple, so you should not have trouble with this even if you are a beginner. Lastly, you can open a new account and sign up for you to receive your earnings. All these can be done on your phone, tablet, laptop, and computer wherever you are located in the world. There is no fee for you to sign up. Rest assured that everything is for free as you begin with Paidwork.com. Do you think it is easy to earn money on Paidwork.com? If you do, leave a comment on the comment section down below. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more ways to earn online in the comfort of your own home. While you are here, click on the notification bell so you can be updated on our every upload. Now, let's go back to the video. If you are still on Paidwork.com, go ahead and click on the option on the topmost part of the page that says How It Works. This page will tell you how you can get started with Paidwork.com in just 3 easy steps. First, you need to choose how you want to earn. Choose what you think you will be able to do from the 5 options available to you: playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, online shopping, and inviting people to earn with Paidwork.com's referral program. The second step is to execute the orders. The third step is actually working on the job that you got. Step number 4 is start getting paid. Sounds easy enough, right? As with most websites, you will need to register for an account. As we mentioned earlier on the video, there is no need to pay for you to sign up for an account. Go ahead and click on the registration button on the upper right corner of your screen. This should lead you to a new page. Use your existing email to log into your new account. When you have successfully entered your account, you should be able to find your dashboard and see your estimated earnings. You have a new account, so everything is still at $0, but if you put in the work, day in, day out, watch this number grow and you will be thankful you have started with Paidwork.com. Are you enjoying the video so far? Which of the methods to get paid will you choose? Playing a game sounds great. Comment your thoughts in the comment section down below. While you are here, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of video in the future. Now, back to the video. Remember the email address you used to register to Paidwork.com? You need to go to this email to verify your email address. Find an email from Paidwork.com and click on Verify Your Account. This should activate your account for you to earn money. Now, go back to Paidwork.com where you should be inside your account. Find the Earn button on the page. This is where you will find the 5 ways to earn, mentioned earlier on this video. Click on one of the options to earn money by clicking on the green Earn button. For example, this could be different for you. But for this video's example, you will be opening an ad. A new page should appear where you need to scroll up and down. Make sure you are moving your mouse and you are not idle on the page to prove you are not a robot. Make sure that you finish this timer for your effort to be credited to your account and not go to waste. In the occasion you want to earn money by watching YouTube videos, click on the green Earn button to be directed to a random YouTube video. Here you also have to make sure you finish the timer for you to earn. Do not forget about the timer. Like and subscribe on YouTube. Leave comments and like photos on Instagram and Facebook. You can get paid with taking surveys too. You can do all these in your own time, anywhere in the world. Aren't all these easy enough? Now, do you have friends? You can refer a friend to earn money on this website as well. Of course, referrals are not just limited to your friends. Click on the referral program inside your account where you will find a link. Every time someone signs up using your link, you will earn with Paidwork.com. This is another great way for you to earn. Take advantage of these easy ways to earn and start seeing a positive change on your bank account. As a bonus info, you can also go to Coinbase.com where you can earn crypto for additional earnings. Check out the website and we promise you will not regret it. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.